Stop guessing if your eggs are cooked. This egg trick works every time. Take the egg and gently spin it on a flat surface. If it spins smoothly and quickly, it's fully cooked. If it wobbles or stops easily, the inside is still liquid. That's because a cooked egg is solid inside, while a raw egg still moves around. This simple trick helps you check your eggs like a pro chef. Want to cook like a pro? Follow Cheftoon for daily cooking secrets, facts, and kitchen hacks.